Okay, let's start. So, this is Palo Santo bark. It is related to sandalwood, which, as many people have first heard of it, is mentioned in the Bible. It's an aromatic bark. It actually originates in Brazil. Again, it's Palo Santo bark. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it properly, but like that's how it's P-A-L. Santo, Palo Santo bark. And it's good for clearing spaces of negative energy, and it's also good for kind of like setting a mental tone for meditation. Most people who have asthma actually aren't too sensitive to this, unlike sage, which can sometimes aggravate asthma. They both have the same uses. I actually kind of have started to love this more than sage. I still love sage. They both kind of have their different uses, but both are similar. And I learned about this from, I mentioned it in my post earlier, that guy who I briefly dated and he ran away. He got me onto this, and I kind of like it. So thank you for this. This got me through some hard times. When I was homeless, I would burn this in my car and then let the smoke go, and it just really like helped me like focus. And like when I thought that somebody was sending me negative energy or people were sending me negative energy, I send that out. And again, because it's related to sandalwood, it's blessed by God. So yeah, I'm sharing that in case anybody needs some clearing of the space. And this is not to I'm against witchcraft and all of that stuff. But some people need rituals to mentally kind of like have faith. You know what I mean? Like pretty much saying, "Hey God, I want you to like take the space." And I mean, I don't see why God would dislike this. And I'm not his speaking vessel to kind of say whether he does or he doesn't. But again, they say he appreciates burning incense. It doesn't take the place of actually having faith and praying to him, but it's a good thing, and it goes out on its own. I've noticed I've heard different things from the stores who sell it, that the people who work in the stores who sell it, and that like the longer it burns, the more likely that means there's negative forces that are around you. So you're supposed to let it go out on its own, and went out on its own. This burned for a little bit now. I mean, hold up. What's going on? But this is the first stick I just burned. Yeah, and then this is my friend right here, Mary. I wish they would let me own a marijuana dispensary. I would make the best medicine, and I think I would regulate it too. I would regulate it. I don't think you should do it all the time or in large quantities. Well, I don't have an excuse for this one, right? Sometimes.